First, you open the server, input the gateway, and then input the default gateway. Turn on the service. Turn on the service. Input store IP address and subnet mask, and save it. Then open desktop, IP and configuration, input IP address and subnet mask, and do same things on server 2, but in different gateway and default gateway. And now open the router, click config, flash ethernet 0, input the IP address and subnet mask, exit, and flash ethernet 1, input the IP address and subnet mask, and now open the PC and desktop DHCP, change to DHCP desktop application DHCP, and do same things on other desktops. If done, look at the IP configuration and open the command prompt. Input the ping address, open the PC, look at the IP address, open command prompt and input the IP. And do same things on other PCs. And your Class B IP address is finished. Thanks for watching.
Masih kami dari kelompok Turnando presentasikan